Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will delve into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.77. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.06%. This equates to an average return of 0.29% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 21.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.08% to 25.68%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 10.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 12.13% to positive 28.72% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 190.78 and 279.49. Our latest daily update for Amazon features the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Amazon stock after gaining 2.42%. The Amazon stock price increased by 2.42% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025. The price rose from $211.99 to $217.12. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.82%, with a day low at $212.01 and a day high of $217.99. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.84% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 18 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 50 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.84 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 10.47% or $25.40 below the 52-week high and 83.37% or $1,088.08 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon recently faced a significant shift in its artificial intelligence division with the departure of a key vice president who played a crucial role in generative AI development and the management of its Bedrock service. This change comes amid escalating competition for top AI talent, which could pose short-term challenges for Amazon's innovation capabilities. The loss of such leadership may impact investor sentiment, particularly if it raises concerns over Amazon Web Services' competitive edge in the growing AI landscape. However, despite these immediate challenges, Amazon's long-term prospects remain robust. The company has experienced a solid rally, with its stock gaining nearly 30% since April. Analysts interpret the recent price consolidation as a necessary pause, potentially setting the stage for future growth. In addition to talent issues, Amazon continues to focus on its logistics infrastructure, investing $4 billion to enhance delivery speeds and broaden its market reach, which is vital for its online retail segment. This logistics expansion aligns with the company's plans to capitalize on e-commerce growth, particularly through initiatives like the upcoming 4-day Prime Day. Overall, while the departure of key personnel in the AI sector may generate short-term volatility, Amazon's established market position, strong financial performance, and strategic growth initiatives reinforce a bullish outlook for the stock in the long run. investors should weigh these elements as they consider their positions in Amazon amidst current market dynamics. Analyst ratings. On the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy grade to Amazon with a hold action. On the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that UBS also assigned a buy grade to Amazon with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. Additionally, on the 6th of May 2025, Tigris Financial gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. Earlier, on the 2nd of May 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned a hold grade to Amazon with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts award the stock and strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $212.48 and $207.70. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 10, 2025, and so far it has decreased by 0.225%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 39 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could result in a decline to the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.98, which is 2.82% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key indicator reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered fairly typical, often observed in companies with established histories or steady revenue streams. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.31. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $217.61. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Jeffrey Bezos conducted an insider sale of 24,410 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 2nd of June 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider purchase of 3,827 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted another insider purchase of 3,520 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May 2025, Douglas J. Harrington also conducted an insider sale of 6,743 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -66.815. Overall, insiders purchased 243,235 shares and sold 1,313,566 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $208.87, reflecting a decrease of 3.8%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to reduced risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of June, we anticipate Amazon to open lower by $1.41, starting at $215.71. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.